Howdy, neighbors. Another day of rain coming. Even though the solar oven is sitting down there about 320, something like that. Okay, I got out here and re-scrubbed a chunk of this, and I got from here over painted. So, and then the weather started changing, so I decided I better not go any farther. It's getting there. Mike picked up the rubber pads, or the weather stripping I was talking about, and as you can see, well, maybe you can't. Let me go to the other one. See? Just stuck a piece of weather stripping, 3-inch piece, stuck it to here, and now it pushes. When I push against it, I don't have to worry about it banging. It keeps it pretty nice. And at the same time, when I go to lock them for travel, the screws that go in the bottom here, well, it's a self-tapping screw. I just push it in, screw it in, and then the pressure of those pads keeps it against the bus. Keeps it from loosening up too. I had a couple of them loosen out like this one because this panel. Wait, did I put pads on you? Nope. I put that one in the wrong place. What a doofus. Yeah. Alright, I gotta peel that one and get another one. Anyway, yeah, when the wind bent these up here, these two I have to fix, and I haven't got it done. You can see they're out. The panel's out at the top. And that's because those hinges are bent at the bottom. And they're so heavy I can't just hammer on them and put them back. I got to get new ones. So that means I've got to peel them, rip it up, tear it off, unscrew it, undo all the silicone, clean it all up, etc. Undo the 2 bolts that are in the center of each one and replace them. So I haven't gotten around to it. Anyway, I'm about halfway done on the painting on this side. I'll get it. Having to scrub things twice really stinks. Oh yeah, and then I cleaned the roller off up here. Got more of this first coated. It's getting better. Anyway, later.